A very good evening to you all, my dear friends. Myself, Sangeeta Godse, on behalf of Innerville Club of Dombivli East, welcomes you all for the virtual installation ceremony of our incoming president, Ashwini Zade, and her team. Well, every year the installation ceremony has always been a grand ceremony for us. This year, it is being done a little differently due to COVID-19 and lockdown. Nevertheless, the ceremony is also special and it is a virtual ceremony. To conduct this ceremony virtually, we will be assisted by our own webmaster Poonam Bobde, our member, who is our very own member. And Poonam, hope all is set. Dear, all we all seek your cooperation and understanding through this evening as we too are still learning to go virtual. We will begin this evening with our hearty, active, ever ready and dashing, outgoing President Lata Mahespurkar, who is a retired banker, and she'll be doing the honors. Over to you, President Lata. I request you to carry out the proceedings and also introduce and install our incoming President Ashwini Zade. Poonam, kindly switch over to Lata. Thank you.
Thank you, Sangeeta. You can hear, na?
Yes, we can.
Yeah. Thank you, Sangeeta, for starting the meeting. Yeah. Meeting call to order. Let us start with lighting our lamp. Poonam? Yeah.
ज्योत से ज्योत जगाते चलो, ज्योत से ज्योत जगाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो, राह में आए जो दीन दुखी, राह में आए जो दीन दुखी, सबको गले से लगाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो। जिसका न कोई संगी साथी, ईश्वर है रखवाला, जो निर्धन है जो निर्बल है, वो है प्रभु का प्यारा, प्यार की मोती, प्यार के मोती लुटाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो, ज्योत से ज्योत जगाते चलो, ज्योत से ज्योत जगाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो.
Thank you, Rekha, for rendering such a beautiful song for lighting the lamp. Now, next will be the Innerville prayer, which will be read by our secretary, Ashwini Zade.
Instill in us, O Lord, the true meaning of friendship. Never let us forget that we are all thy children, notwithstanding the differences in our cultures and creeds. Endow us with a desire to serve our fellow men, remembering that we too often need help. Whenever or wherever the need of services arises, help us to be ready to serve, endeavoring to make our badge of Innerville worthwhile, ensuring that we have not lived in vain.
Acha, here I had to say one more thing. Our PP Anjali Kishti will render the Ishastavan to invoke the blessings of Saraswati. Over to Anjali Kishti.
जगदीश्वरी माता सरस्वती, जय जगदीश्वरी माता सरस्वती, शरणागत प्रतिपालनहारी, शरणागत प्रतिपालनहारी, जय जगदीश्वरी सरस्वती, जय जगदीश्वरी माता सरस्वती, चंद्रबिंब सम बदन विराजे, चंद्रबिंब सम बदन विराजे, शीश मुकुट माला गलधारी, शीश मुकुट माला गलधारी, वीणा वाम अंग में ध्वनि मधुर प्यारी, जय जगदीश्वरी माता सरस्वती, जय जगदीश्वरी माता सरस्वती, श्वेतमसन कमलासन सुंदरी, श्वेतमसन कमलासन सुंदरी, संग सखी शुभ्र हंस विराजे, संग सखी शुभ्र हंस विराजे, ब्रह्मानंद में दास तुम्हारो, ब्रह्मानंद में दास तुम्हारो, दे दर्शन पर ब्रह्म दुलारी, दे दर्शन पर ब्रह्म दुलारी, जय जगदीश्वरी माता सरस्वती, जय जगदीश्वरी माता सरस्वती, शरणागत प्रतिपालनहारी, शरणागत प्रतिपालनहारी, जय जगदीश्वरी माता सरस्वती, जय जगदीश्वरी, जय जगदीश्वरी, जय जगदीश्वरी माता सरस्वती।
Thank you, Anjali Kishti, for the beautiful rendering of Ishastavan. Now I welcome PDC Subbalakshmi Chapale, Rotary President of Rotary Club of Dombili East, Rotarian Katekar, Zonal Coordinator Niti Upasni, Presidents of Zone 6, Mansi Joshi, Dombili West, Anjali Varke, Ambarnath Hills, Rushali Mille, Dombili, Dr. Leena, Ambarnath, Hema Rohira of Ullasnagar. Guests, family members, and all my dear Innerville members. Now, I would address and review my president of 1920. I have thoroughly enjoyed my term as a president, wherein I could complete some good projects, fellowships, including picnic and outdoor stint to Goa. I would like to review the year by PowerPoint presentation. Over to Poonam. Can you just put the slides? Vada Purnima by planting of saplings like Shafa, Neem, Word People. That was our environmental project. Beneficiaries were many and project chairman was Ashwini Zade. Next. This is the same tree planting. Yeah. Next was the Doctors' Day celebration, which we had with a difference this year by felicitating Class 3 and Class 4 staff of Shastri Nagar Municipal Hospital, Dombili West. The beneficiaries were 80 and project chairman was Dr. Anjana Parashar and Dr. Anusuya Gopal. Next. Yeah, this was our installation, which coincided with our charter president's 70th birthday, Dr. Anusuya Gopal. PP Mansi Vaidya and Bhakti Barve prepared 70 diyas and cake cutting ceremony was also there. On the day of installation, we handed over nearly 200 saris to Mrs. Rohini Lokare, who had gone to Pandharpur for Ashadi Ekadashi. Rohini also served food to many of them. Yeah, these are the saris doing a Varkari at Pandharpur. Beneficiaries were nearly 250 and project chairman was Rohini Lokare. Next. Yeah. This was the Guru Purnima festival, which the theme was Anna He Purna Brahma. For the celebration, where we recognized 13 Dabbawalas operating from Dombivli for their systematic distribution of dabbas in time, without even wasting a single morsel of food. Beneficiaries were 70 and project chairman was Rajeshwari Shrikant. Next. Floods lashed out, flooding the city everywhere. One such village, Kamba, at Titwala, was fully washed out. With the active participation and help meted out by our members promptly, we managed to send a tempo full of food grains, pulses, oil, vessels, clothes, and helped out at the right time. Here also the beneficiaries were many. Next, Punam. Yeah, 15th August, Madan Mohan Malviya School, Dombivli West, where we were invited for hoisting the flag, which was a moment of pride for us. Yeah, us means it was myself, Ashwini, and our past IPP, Jaysri Tambat. Beneficiaries were 120 school children, whom we really enjoyed in the flag hoisting ceremony. This was the first time we really hoisted a flag. Next. Yeah, Charter Day celebration. This year we did it with Mangala Gauri performance. We had invited others also to join us. Stalls were put up as an additional treat for all to shop for Diwali because Diwali was very close. Since the hall is situated at a prime location, people visited the stalls and enjoyed playing Mangala Gauri games also as well as shopping. Nearly 120 people to 125 people attended. Next. Yeah. Matrudin, in memory of our late member Jyoti Patkar, who was like a mother to the inmates of the old age home, Dilasa Virangula at Regency, we distributed medical kits with day-to-day items along with some rations. There were 15 old women there. Project chairman Aparna Sangora. Next. Yeah. On the eve of Durga festival, where we have to see that girls be given a clean life during menstrual periods. Sanitary pad incinerator, which is called as destroyer, was given to Rambao BCA school, where nearly 300 girl students and lady staff teachers will benefit for the disposal of sanitary pads. So beneficiaries 300, project chairman or past president Sulba Kambe. Next. Yeah, Vayam Foundation. Nearly 250 saris and other clothes in good condition in 35 bags were sent to Vayam Foundation, Jawahar. There they have some Bachat Gat Yojana where they resell these clothes to the neighboring villages and earn profit for the Bachat Gat. We are doing this project the third consecutive year. Beneficiaries are many. Project chairman, past president Mansi Vaidya. Next. Rangoli competition and display. We organized Rangoli competition with stalls, including lip-smacking, mouth-watering dishes. Location was exactly in market premises, because of which many visited, returning from office and while going to buy vegetables. Prizes were also distributed for best Rangolis. Shopping was also done on a large scale. So nearly beneficiaries were around 500. Next. Yeah, this is Manoday Trust of differently able people working there. Since many years, we give our old banners, old curtains, bed sheets, newspapers, etc. for recycling for paper bags and doormats. Here again, beneficiaries were 25 Project Chairman, Past President Jayashree Tampat. Next. Yeah. A medical camp for members and others at concessional rate was organized. Blood check, lipid profile, mammography, sonography, ECG, pap smear, all these tests were undertaken. Beneficiaries 50, project chairman, past president Vidya Baitule, Dr. Anjana and Dr. Anusuya. Next, Sankrant Melawa. Just before Sankrant festival, our members and others put up stalls of variety of items. This was well received by public at large who visited the stalls. This youth success turned out to be a fundraising for us. This fund raised was to be used for hearing aids to dumb and deaf children, which of course we will be doing it in the next term, which when Ashwini is the president. Next. This much eagerly awaited ongoing project, Navi Umang for Senior Citizens, was celebrated this year by having a ramp walk for senior citizens and a Hasya Corner by cartoonist Vivek Mehtare. Nearly 220 people attended the program. Prizes were distributed and all the senior citizens really enjoyed, which they look forward to every year eagerly. Project Chairman PP Anjali Kishti and Shobha Zaukar. Next. Yeah. Educational charts given to Rail Child School, Dombivli East. Here the primary children were deprived of some charts for studying basically Marathi and Hindi, as well as English charts. So we managed to get them and we are expecting a few more. But because of this lockdown, we couldn't get. We are expecting a few more and we will be giving. The children were very happy. Beneficiaries are nearly 200. Project Chairman, Past President Ujjwala Deodhar. Next. Yeah. Then started the lockdown due to coronavirus. Whenever the need arises in society, we are always ahead to help out. Our dashing member, Rohini Lokare and Shobha Zaukar, have managed to reach out to hundreds of homeless, daily wage workers, policemen, and other people with household items, grocery kits, biscuits, and other items also. We have even donated to IMA Dombili for PP kits. All our members have contributed to the mega projects undertaken during the lockdown, and I am confident that we will continue to give best service to society in future also. Next. Yeah. Now these are the district projects. PDF is Prafulla Danurkar Art Foundation Drawing Competitions. This was undertaken at Patkar School, Pandurang Vidyalaya and Rambao BCA School. Nearly 100 students participated and it was a CC project. Next. Yeah, along with that we had Vedic mats also taught to nearly 100 students at Pandurang Vidyalaya. So this we covered 3 schools, Patkar School, Pandurang Vidyalaya and Rambao BCA School. Project chairman was CC Sharvari Joshi. Next. Yeah. Now this was again a district project, Mission Mamta. This is help to orphanage and abandoned children. We celebrated the first birthday of Savi Lumbre, where food grains, pulses, oil, spices and others were given. We also gave them 2 big vessels with ladles and cover to cook khichdi. The birthday was celebrated with the children by playing, singing songs and just enjoying with the children and ended with snacks for the children. The children were really very thankful and even the people who are looking after, they were really happy with our joining them. Next. Yeah. Ecothon project. This is where e-waste was collected, nearly 120 kilos of e-waste for recycling, disposed of at our zonal coordinator's house. Next. Yeah. This is one interzonal, we would say, it is actually inter-club friendship with Innerville Club of Borivali, our Mangalagore program. This is our district chairman, Devangi Vakharia, who really enjoyed. And this program turned out to be such a huge success. Now we hope next year also we would get a chance to perform. Next. This was our West Zone Goa meet where 15 of our members attended and we had a good fun time at Goa. Just see the photo and with the same type of store. Yeah. This was where we met our district dignitaries and chairman. The next is Golden Tapestry Rally at Renaissance Mumbai. Rally where IWC 314 completes 50 glorious years. Here, 11 of our members attended. Intercaste marriage, Goa versus Rajasthani was the theme, where I got a chance to play the Rajasthani daughter's father. And the other members also joined in as Baratis. Next. Yeah, these are all our members who attended the Golden Jubilee Rally. Next. Yeah, this is our yearly picnic, which we enjoyed at Riverside Resort Neral as a relaxation every year with the members playing indoor as well as outdoor games. Really had good fun. Yeah, IMA Lifesavers Run. The first time when I participated in a marathon as a senior citizen, where I got a second prize. 11 members participated. I'm really thankful to all the other members who supported me.
Yes, Lata, now you will be
Yeah.
introducing and
Yeah.
installing President
Yeah.
Ashwini Jade for this year.
Yeah. Ashwini, the name. See, A stands for artistic hand, be it rangoli or any sketch. S stands for a sweet smile on all occasions.
Correct.
H stands for hardworking for all causes. W stands for a woman of substance, always ahead to help out. I stands for an integral part of my 1920 team as my secretary. N starts for never says no when called for. I stands for into all activities in the forefront. This is the brief description of Ashwini in all the alphabetic way. A BCom graduate from Mumbai University, she has climbed the ladder of success to become the director of Zade Rubber Works. She has done many short courses, including computer and office management. Her hobbies include cake making with decoration, cooking yummy dishes, and traveling with lot of outings. Her husband Mangesh Jadal is also a Rotarian attached to the Rotary Club of Industrial Area. Daughter Mansi has done post-graduation in interior designing and son Mihir is studying engineering. My reference to Ashwini is always beauty with brains, who will take the club to greater heights with lots of good, meaningful projects in the year 2020 and 2021. I wish Ashwini and the full team all the best and a successful year. Thank you, Ashwini, and all the best, especially from all of us. Yes, over to Sangeeta.
Now, this particular year, as we are not practically meeting, our outgoing president Lata had already handed over the charter and the badge and everything to her. So I request Poonam to transfer or take us to Ashwini, where she will be wearing her collar and also giving her giving her installation reviews, and will be introducing her team members and any other views that she has to say. So Poonam, please take us to Ashwini. Ashwini will be now leading, and over to Ashwini. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Lata, for a short and sweet introduction of mine. I'm wearing the collar.
Yeah.
Pin. Charter our
Yes, chapter.
this is constitution. Good evening, dear all. Very warm welcome to our chief guest, past district chairman Shubha Lakshmi Chapwale, guest of honor Rotary President Mr. Katikar sir, presidents of Zone 6, my family members, friends and fellow members, fellow Innerville members, thanks for attending online virtual installation to give us blessings. Thank you IPP Lata Maiskurkar for short and sweet introduction of mine and installing me as a president. I am very proud to be a Innerville member. I am most honored and humbled to be elected as a president of Innerville Club of Dombivli East, and with the help of and support of my team, executive members and fellow club members, I will do my best to meet the challenges. I have taken all the posts by ladder, and I will, in this pandemic situation, all things are challenging but not impossible. Let us try to be innovative. We will lead the change with smile on face and hope in heart. Our club has been built on strong friendship, trust, and mutual understandings. We are carrying out the many worthwhile projects that, that we undertake for the benefit of our community. Let me take this opportunity to congratulate immediate past president Lata Maiskurkar and her team for a very successful year. During this year, IPP Lata did many things and supported me throughout the year. I thank her from bottom of my heart, and in future I will be depending on her continued support throughout the year. I would also like to congratulate to each one of team and executive members. I look forward to serving for community with you all. We started to do projects. First project, we have celebrated spiritual day of Guru Purnima. We felicitated 25 gurus of art of living. They are taking tremendous efforts for police and doctors and for all to get great energy to fight all negativity and surroundings in this pandemic situation. Our second project, we had organized a lecture on Be Cyber Smart, Be Cyber Safe. To make everyone aware about cyber crimes, total 75 people attended this lecture. Next week, we are arranging this lecture for 9th and 10th standard students. We have very innovative projects in hand for students, senior citizens, and housewives. I will focus on our ongoing projects also. We will serve for underprivileged people, children. We are contributing in district projects also. District urban project, we have donated 5 oximeters to Tata Hospital. District rural project, we contributed 8,500 for one house rainwater harvesting. Educational help given to underprivileged children. In alternative sources energy at Wakadi village, we donated 3 solar systems. We are contributing in district forest project also. I had attended district seminar webinars, virtual installations of presidents of District 314. Now I am glad to introduce a new team of the year 2020-21. Vice President Rohini Lokre, very smart, multitasking, strong-minded, works in various fields, courageous, confident. Welcome Rohini as a Vice President. Next, immediate past president Lata Mesprukar, ever smiling, soft-hearted, positive attitude, always helping my dear friend. Welcome. Next, club secretary, most beautiful, always smiling face, sweetness overloaded, my dear friend, past president Mansi Vaidya. She is not new to this job. She is a past president and taken all the post by. I am gratefully thanks to her for taking this, for accepting this post for me. Welcome, Mansi. Club treasurer, beautiful, creative, great artist, my dear friend Megha Paidil. She is taking post by ladder. Interior designer by profession. Welcome, Megha. International service organizer, ever smiling, most creative, having new ideas of handicrafts. Dear Sharvari Joshi, welcome. Our club correspondent, elegant, beautiful, sweet smiling, enthusiastic, dear Bhakti Bandari, most welcome to our team. Uh, photo session. Now our executive team members. First, past President Anjali Khisti. Poonam, please photo. Past President Anjali Khisti, most talented, excellent classical singer, strong pillar of our club. My guru, past President Anjali Khisti, welcome. Second, Sangeeta Godse, multi-talented, precious diamond of our club, great English orator, dear friend, past President Sangeeta, welcome. Rajashri Saure, very clever, great composer, very positive, being deliberate, good advisor, my friend Rajashri Saure. She is also past president. Past president Sharvari Ketkar, very smart, intelligent, always helping nature, self-confident, courageous, my dear friend Sharvari, welcome. Shobha, beautiful, humble, courageous, always helping, welcome. Shobha. Rekha Deshpande, past president Rekha Deshpande, elegant, honest, best dressing sense, melodious singer of our club, my dear friend, past president Rekha, welcome. Apart from this, we have created two new posts for our club. CCC chairman Vidya Baitule, intelligent, elegant, good advisor, big knowledge about Innerville laws and protocols. She is also a Sparsh coordinator of our club this year. Last but not least, web organizer and master. Last year she has joined Poonam Bobde. Last year she has joined our club. Very smart, beautiful, intelligent, enthusiastic, hard worker. My dear friend Poonam Bobde. Without her help, it is not possible for us to do virtual programs. Thank you, Poonam. We have created new post for her as a web organizer or master. These are strong pillars of our club.
Yes.
Our medical team, 1 minute. Our medical team, chartered president.
Poonam, this is not the slide.
No, chartered president, Dr. Anasuya, Dr. Anjana, Dr. Kirti. These are our medical team members. Next, cultural heads, Dr. Rajeshri Srikhande. Third, educational team, past president Sulba Kamble, ma'am, past president Ujwala Devdhar and Lina. These are educational team members. And our public relation officer, new
Post.
created post, Meena Godkhindi.
Thank you.
Yes.
Now, Poonam, over to the new members that we are going to induct this year. Yes.
Uh, Induction of new members. Our introduction. Saroj Upadhyay. She is not.
No, even if she is not sent her introduction, we will
Ah.
induct her with the introduction when we actually meet her in the coming meetings. You can just inform about the new members that are going to join this year.
Only 3 members: Kiran Gosavi, second Swapna Gujar, and third Saroj Upadhyay.
Okay, thank you. Is there a photograph for us?
No.
Okay.
Thank you. Over to Sangeeta.
Okay. Now, thank you, Ashwini, President Ashwini, for the wonderful views that you have mentioned, for all your ideas, and I'm sure your smiling face and your, how to say, a very jovial sort of a talented lady that you are, you're going to take us to a very different height. Thank you so much. Now, we are going to we all our club, Innerville Club of Dombivli East, has fascinating members with us. It is a club of more than 50 members. It is a blend of old and new with modern ideas and young energy coexisting amicably. We also have had a glorious past, and every year, every president strives to do better. This year is no different. COVID 19 has put or thrown a challenge not only to the world but also to us. And along with this, we have to put up with this situation for quite some time. We have various projects, and we have undertaken also a few more projects which are lined up, which is virtual also. To showcase Innerville and our projects and activities, our smart and enthusiastic President Ashwini has correctly thought of having our own YouTube channel. I request our President to please launch our own Innerville Club of Dombivli East YouTube channel today, and we wish you showcase the projects done in this month also. And I also request everyone to comment, like, and subscribe our channel. Poonam, kindly do the needful. We are launching our Innerville Club of Dombivli East YouTube channel. There are already 2 projects which have been uploaded. All the details will also be there, and very soon this will be activated by all, and we will be able to see what we have been doing. This month, July, is dedicated to environment project, and we have done the project today. Poonam, please.
हाँ संगीता मैम कंटिन्यू करूँ
Yeah, you can continue. President Ashwini, we have done the environment project. So you'll be showing us this, showing what we have done today.
Yeah, our third.
Yeah. Okay. This is the first project that we had done, which is on the YouTube channel. And the second one, cyber security awareness workshop. Yes, this is our tree plantation project which we have done today. We have
decided to do the environment project uniquely this year.
The month of July is dedicated to environment, meaning trees and saplings are planted in this month as a mark of our contribution to the nature. Due to COVID-19 and lockdown, we have decided to celebrate this in a unique way. We all have pledged to plant these saplings in our balcony, garden, or compound and take proper care of it. So, friends, let us spread the power of love towards the nature.
वृक्ष लगाए हम वृक्ष लगाए हम वृक्ष आओ मिलकर हम वृक्ष लगाएं आओ मिलकर हम वृक्ष लगाएं धरती माँ का कर्ज चुकाएं वृक्ष लगाएं हम वृक्ष हरी हरी हरियाली हो जीवन में खुशहाली हो हरी हरी हरियाली हो जीवन में खुशहाली हो ऐसा अपना लक्ष्य बनाए जगह जगह हम वृक्ष लगाएं जगह जगह हम वृक्ष लगाएं हम वृक्ष लगाए हम वृक्ष लक्ष्य बनाए हम लक्ष्य वृक्ष लगाए हम वृक्ष पेड़ ही जीवन है तो है कल पेड़ ही निज श्वास है पेड़ ही निज श्वास है साथी वो हर पल पेड़ ही जीवन है तो है कल पेड़ ही जीवन पेड़ों से रुकते पवन है पवन से रुकते बादल पेड़ों से रुकते पवन है पवन से रुकते बादल बादल से होती वर्षा है बादल से होती वर्षा है वर्षा से फिर जल ही जल जल भी तो आखिर जीवन है जीवन है तो है कल पेड़ ही जीवन है तो है कल पेड़ ही जीवन है पेड़ों से ही शुद्ध हवा है पेड़ों से मिलती दवा पेड़ों से ही शुद्ध हवा है पेड़ों से मिलती दवा पेड़ों से मिलते हैं फल पेड़ों से मिलते हैं फल फल से मिलता तन को बल.
So this was our tree plantation project. Thank you, Poonam, and the ever enthusiastic members. We will remember this moment and promise to take care of nature, surely in the future too. Now, we have our guest of honor with us today, and I would like to introduce you to the veteran Rotarian, President of Rotary Club of Dombivli East, Shri Dilip Katekar. I hope Rotarian Dilip Katekar is already there in this. Yes. Thank you, Poonam. Now let me introduce you this person, this dashing Rotarian. I would like to introduce you to the today's chief guest, Rotary Club of Dombivli East President for the year 2020-2021, Shri Dilip G. Katekar. It is wonderful to have you as the chief guest today, sir. Rotarian Katekar ji is a chemical engineer by profession. He has done his masters from IIT Mumbai. After his post-graduation, he worked in this field for 18 long years. He has worked at various senior positions and traveled widely in India and abroad during his service. For the last 20 years or so, he is now running his own consultancy firm in this field of profession. His firm provides engineering consultancy for chemical and pharmaceutical factories. He joined Rotary Club of Dombivli East in the year 2005, and during the last 15 years, he has taken up important positions in Rotary and has headed many important and coveted projects. He has been highly accoladed and won many prizes in Rotary due to his hard work. He was awarded as the best project chairman. He was also awarded best director for the projects twice in his Rotary career, and he has also earned the most precious Rotarian award. He took up this club secretary post in the year 2014-15 and has further held various posts thereafter. He has been elected as the Rotary President of Dombivli East for the year 2020-2021. On the domestic front, he is happily married to Varsha, a postgraduate and a classical singer. The couple is blessed with 2 sons, Ashutosh, an SAP consultant, and he is married, and a younger son, Harshal, who is an architect by profession and is currently pursuing masters in architecture. Dear friends, here I present to you this active Rotarian, President Shri Dilip Katekarji. I request you, sir, to bless our club on this occasion of the installation ceremony of our President Ashwini Zade. Thank you.
Thank you, Sangeeta, for such a nice. Yeah, should I start now?
Yes, please.
Okay. If I'm not audible anytime, please just let me know, so I will put off my video.
No, it's okay. You can start, sir.
Yeah. Thank you, Sangeeta, for such a nice, kind words.
Thank you, sir.
And President Ashwini, Secretary Mansi, today Chief Guest PDC Shubha Chapale, IPP Lata Meskurkar, then Inner Wheel members, invited guests. ऍक्च्युअली खरं सांगायचं तर आपला रोटरीच्या सगळ्या परिवारांचा कार्यक्रम हा नेहमी इंग्रजीमध्ये होतो आणि मी वर्षानुवर्ष इंग्रजीत बोलत आलोय. आताही प्रेसिडेंट आहेत आमचे 3 कार्यक्रम झाले, इन्स्टॉलेशन झालं, जनरल बॉडी मीटिंग, एक नंतर प्लॅन्स आणि प्रोजेक्ट प्रेझेंटेशन, आणि प्रत्येक ठिकाणी मी इंग्रजीत बोलत असतो. तर मला आज असं वाटलं की आपण इंग्रजीत का बोलावं, कारण खरं सांगायचं तर मुळात मी आज तुम्हाला ब्लेसिंग देण्या इतका मी मोठा नाही, माझं तेवढं कर्तृत्वही मोठं नाहीये. मी आज इथे आहे कारण तुमच्या पेरेंट क्लबचा, रोटरी क्लब डोंबिवलीचा मी प्रेसिडेंट आहे, आणि तेवढंच फारसं काय माझं कर्तृत्व असेल तर तेच. तर त्या अनुषंगाने जेव्हा मी इथे येतोय तर मला असं वाटलं की आपण आशीर्वाद वगैरे देणं हा काय आपला प्रांत नाहीये, तर मी जास्तीत जास्त तुमच्याशी थोडासा संवाद साधू शकतो. आणि जेव्हा संवाद साधायचा म्हटला तर आपल्या मातृभाषेपेक्षा अजून दुसरा चांगला पर्याय कुठला असू शकत नाही. आणि म्हणूनच मी अश्विनीशी बोललो की म्हटलं की मला कुठल्या भाषेत बोलू, मग कुठलंही चालेल. मी म्हटलं ठीक आहे, मी मराठीत बोलतो. आज खरं सांगायचं तर आपण संपूर्ण आपण जगच आज एका वेगळ्या कुठल्यातरी एका वेगळ्याच परिस्थितीत आपण अडकलेलो. आणि आपल्या रोटरी परिवाराबद्दल बोलायचं म्हटलं तर आपण ज्या काही आपण ऍक्टिव्हिटीज करत असतो त्याच्यात आज बरेच आपल्याला बदल घडवून यावं लागतं. ते साधारणतः आपल्या ऍक्टिव्हिटीज जसं आमचे क्लबचं आहे की हा प्रेसिडेंट हा 1.5 वर्षापूर्वी मी नियुक्त झालो, आणि 1.5 वर्षानंतर आम्ही कामं सुरुवात केली, प्लॅनिंग सुरुवात केली, सगळ्या काही गोष्टी होत गेल्या, आणि फेब्रुवारीपर्यंत आम्ही या स्टेजला आलो की ऑलमोस्ट आता आपल्याला फक्त फायनल टचेस द्यायचे आणि आपल्याला सुरुवात करायची. आणि फायनल टचेस देताना आणि सुरुवात करताना फक्त एवढंच जेव्हा आमच्या मनात होतं तर तेव्हाच आता हा कोविड सुरू झाला. मला वाटतं तुमच्या याच्यात काही फारसं वेगळं नसावं. आणि मग मला सगळे म्हणायचे की अरे हे काय झालंय, आपल्याच नशिबात असं काय. पण काय होतं माहिती का, बराच वेळा आपण कुठल्या तरी काळाच्या एका तुकड्यात आपण असं अडकतो, आणि त्या तुकड्यावर आम्हाला कोर्स केलाय का, मला ऍडमिट करावं कोणाला तरी आलंय. तर या काळाच्या तुकड्यावर आपलं नाव असतं, पण त्याच्यात काय लिहिलेलं असतं हे आपल्याला माहित नसतं, आणि आपल्याला कुठेतरी लिहावं लागतं. आज परिस्थिती अशी झालेली आहे. जेव्हा मी फेब्रुवारीमध्ये म्हणत होतो की आम्ही आता फक्त आम्हाला 3-4 महिने केव्हा जातात आणि फायनल टचेस आपण देतो, त्यावेळेस सगळं बदलायला लागलं. कुठेतरी असं वाटलं होतं की आपण परफेक्शनला जातोय आणि इनपरफेक्शनला यायला लागलं. एक जॅपनीज एक बेसिकली प्रिन्सिपल आहे, त्याला काबी आणि साबी म्हणतात. तर त्यात बेसिक काय करतात ते की साधारण तुम्हाला जरी घराची भिंत जरी बांधायची असेल तरी त्या भिंतीमधली एक वीट ही तशीच मोकळी सोडलेली असते. आणि यांचं कारण हे असं असतं की ते स्वतःला नेहमी आठवण करून देतात की अपूर्णता हेच शेवटी जीवन आहे. थोडक्यात काय की परफेक्शन ही जर्नी जी असते एका इम्परफेक्शन कडून दुसऱ्या इम्परफेक्शन कडे जाणं, दिस इज द जर्नी. सो यू ऑलवेज नो देर इज अ समथिंग डिफरंट दॅट इट कॅन हॅपन इन द लाईफ. आणि त्याला आपली नेहमीच तयारी असली पाहिजे. आज आपण जेव्हा रोटरी परिवार म्हणतोय, आज आम्ही आमची तशी तयारी करतोय आणि तुम्ही तुमची तशी तयारी नक्कीच करत आहात. तुम्ही जे प्रोजेक्ट्स मांडलेत खूप छान प्रोजेक्ट्स आहेत. आपले प्रोजेक्ट्स हे नॉर्मली सगळे फिजिकल प्रोजेक्ट्स आहेत आणि या फिजिकल गॅदरिंग याच्या निमित्ताने आपण जास्तीत जास्त लोकांपर्यंत रोटरी तर्फे पोहोचत असतो आणि आपली इमेज आपण लोकांसमोर देत असतो. आज अनफॉर्च्युनेटली आपण की आज व्हर्च्युअल म्हणतोय आपण, कारण आपण एखादा जेव्हा कुठलाही कार्यक्रम करतो, कुठलीही गोष्ट हातात घेतो तेव्हा त्याला कुठेतरी रेफरन्स असतो. एखादा प्रोजेक्ट घेताना हा प्रोजेक्ट बरोबर होईल की नाही होईल, एखादं कार्य घेताना हे बरोबर होईल की नाही होईल, याच्याकरता आपल्याला कुठला आणि आज खरं सांगायचं तर कुठला संदर्भ अवेलेबल नाहीये की मी आज जे निर्णय घेतोय ते बरोबर आहे की चूक आहे हे कळायला मला काहीच मार्ग नाहीये. आणि या क्षणी खरं सांगायचं तर ही एक खूप चांगली अपॉर्च्युनिटी सुद्धा आहे. ही अपॉर्च्युनिटी मी याच्याकरता म्हणतोय की आज मी जे काही घेईल ते आज तो निर्णय, तो प्रोजेक्ट हा आजच्या खटकेला हा बरोबरच राहील. आणि जरी समजा चुकला, कारण शेवटी ठरवेल त्याचा निर्णय हा बरोबर होता की चुकीचा होता, पण जरी तो चुकला तरीही त्याचं क्रेडिट तुम्हाला नक्कीच मिळेल, कारण अशाही परिस्थितीत आपण हे पूर्ण केलेलं आहे. अश्विनी आणि त्यांच्या टीमनी खूप छान सुंदर प्रोजेक्ट अरेंज केले आणि मागच्या टीमने सुद्धा बरेच चांगले कमेंट म्हणत नाहीये, पण हे मी माझं तुमच्याशी शेअर करतोय की जे साधारणतः मला आज रोटरी प्रेसिडेंट म्हणून जाणवतं किंवा आधीही मला जाणवत होतं. काय होतं, बऱ्याच वेळा आपण काही प्रोजेक्ट्स करतो आणि ती प्रोजेक्ट्स आपण एकदा केल्यानंतर त्याचं पुढे काय होतं हे आपण बऱ्याच वेळा विसरून जातो आणि त्याचा फॉलोअप नसतो. मी एक ऍक्च्युअली जसं तुमचा प्रोजेक्ट बघितला की तुम्ही सॅनिटरी पॅड्स करता इन्सिनरेशनचं तुम्ही केलेलं आहे. सुंदर प्रोजेक्ट आहे. पण मला तसाच एक प्रोजेक्ट आठवला, मला आठवत नाही हा कदाचित तुमच्या क्लबने केलाय की कोणी केलाय, पण एका शाळेमध्ये मी बघितलं, ममता हॉस्पिटल बाजूची जी कोटकर शाळा आहे तिथेही सॅनिटरी पॅडचं मशीन दिलेलं आहे. आणि त्यांच्याशी बोललो, ते म्हणाले की सॅनिटरी पॅडचं मशीन सुरुवातीपासून चालत नाहीये. आणि म्हटलं मग बाकीचे, कारण त्याच्यावर कुठल्या तरी क्लबचं नाव नव्हतं, त्यांनाही माहित नव्हतं की कुठला क्लब आहे. कदाचित कुठला रोटरी क्लबही असेल आमचा. कोणाचा आहे, तुमचा आहे का?
नाही, आमचा नाही येतो.
हा, तर तो कुठला रोटरी क्लब असेल आणि ती मशीन चालतच नाहीये. आणि कुठेतरी कसं सांगायचं, आपल्या रोटरीमध्ये किंवा आपल्या परिवारामध्ये ही कुठे डिस्कंटिन्युटी येते. मागे एकदा असं निघालं होतं की आपण आपली जुनी प्रोजेक्ट परत एकदा रिवाईव्ह करूया. 2014 मध्ये जेव्हा आम्ही सेक्रेटरी होतो त्यावेळेला हा इश्यू आला होता. पण याकडे मला वाटतं आपण लक्ष नक्कीच द्यायला पाहिजे. तुमचे दोन मला छान आवडलेत. एक तर डबावाला फेलिसिटेशन, खरंच आपण त्या लेवलला जायला पाहिजे. आणि क्लास 3 आणि क्लास 4 वर्कर्सचं इट्स अ व्हेरी नाईस आयडिया. आणि मी तुमच्याकडनं ती उधार घेतोय आणि मी नक्कीच ती करीन माझ्या ह्याच्यात.
थँक्यू.
अश्विनी आणि तिच्या टीमला माझं संपूर्ण सहकार्य ही मी तुम्हाला खात्री देतो. आणि माय बेस्ट विशेस टू ऑल. थँक्यू व्हेरी मच.
थँक्यू सर. ओनली चेंज इज कॉन्स्टंट हेच आपण म्हणू शकतो. त्यामुळे आता आपण कॉन्स्टंटली किंवा एकदम कॉन्स्पिशियसली काय करायचं असेल तर हा जो घडलेला बदल आहे आपल्या सर्वांच्या आयुष्यातला, तेच घेऊन पुढे आपल्याला जायचंय. थँक्यू सो मच सर. तुमचे शब्द आम्हाला खूप आवडले. आणि आमचं ज्या शुभा छापवाले मॅडम आहेत पीडीसी, त्यांनाही मराठी येतं आणि तुम्ही मराठीत बोला, ते फार छान झालं. खूप जवळीक वाटली त्याच्यामुळे. थँक्यू सो मच सर.
थँक्यू व्हेरी मच.
थँक्यू. ना आता मी ह्यांना म्हणजे
संगीता,
या
Sangeeta, just a minute. Yeah, I would just like to tell Rotarian
please.
Dilip sir that the incinerator which we have given is to Rambau BC School, where the principal is our own member. past president Sulba Kamble. So we are seeing to it that it is working.
This is what I wanted to actually
Yeah.
mention.
Yeah.
1 year
Thanks for the
maintenance.
input.
1 year maintenance is also
Yeah.
there.
अच्छा होस्ट कोण आहेत मला मला वाटतं को होस्ट वरनं काढा कारण मला प्रत्येकाला ऍडमिट करावं लागतंय.
Okay. Poonam, please take care of this.
सॉरी सर
हा.
तुम्ही ऍक्च्युली लक्ष नका देऊ, मी करते थोडं.
ओके.
सर मी जसं मगाशी म्हटलं की वी आर ऑल ऑल्सो आय मीन चॅलेंजिंग आहे आम्हाला सुद्धा या सगळ्या व्हर्च्युअल गोष्टी करण्यासाठी. सो वी आर
हो.
ऑल्सो स्टील लर्निंग. थँक्यू.
नाही आम्हाला सुद्धा फार त्रास होतोय. आमच्याकडे आयटीचे माणसं असून सुद्धा काय करायचं काय नाही. गेले 5 महिने करतो तेव्हा कुठे या पोझिशन आलोय की कळतं थोडं फार ना आता.
हो ना.
सॉरी सर, कारण मी सेटिंग अशी केली आहे की फक्त को होस्ट बोलू शकतात, बाकी कोणी बोलू शकत नाहीये. त्याच्यामुळे मला तुम्हाला को होस्ट बनवावं लागणार. सॉरी.
काय हरकत नाही. काय नो इश्यू.
Thank you so much.
थँक्यू सर.
Poonam, are we ready to go ahead?
ओके.
Yes. Now, we are fortunate enough to have our chief guest, PDC Shubha Chapwale, with us today. Shubhaji, our club shares a very warm relation with you, and you are very close to our heart. I request past President Rekha Deshpande to kindly introduce our chief guest, PDC Shubha Chapwale. Over to Poonam, over to Rekha, please.
Good evening, everybody. It gives me immense pleasure to introduce our chief guest, Shubhalakshmi ji Chapwale. First of all, thank you, President Ashwini, for giving me this opportunity to introduce such a great personality, Shubhalakshmi ji Chapwale. The self-introductory name. Shubha means auspicious, Lakshmi means glorious, and Chapwale means very impressive. You know, ekdam chap padnari. So thank you, Shubhaji, for accepting our invitation, even if the ceremony is postponed. Shubhaji, whenever we call you, you have always accepted our invitation. So big thank you from all the members of our club. Shubhaji has been very talented and creative right from her school days. She graduated in economics from Mumbai University and did her master's from SNDT University. She has also completed various diploma courses in journalism, fashion designing, Ayurveda, and naturopathy. She successfully managed a boutique called Shubham Creation for many years and won Maharashtra State Award for her costume designing for Marathi play राहिले दूर घर माझे.
Wow.
She actively participated in various community projects such as family planning awareness, waste management program, and tree plantation. And happy to say she was felicitated by Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Honorable Manohar Joshi, for mega tree plantation. Shubhaji's Innerville journey started in the year 1990. She became president of her club in 2001, zonal coordinator in 2003, district editor in 2006, and finally district chairman in 2011. In 2017-18, she became district literacy chairman. And this year, she is the project in charge of district rural projects, water conservation and rainwater harvesting. You know, Innerville's rural projects at Wakdi village are very, very close to Shubhaji's heart. Then about family, she is happily married to Rajendra Chapwale, who is in property development business. Her son and daughter both are well educated and settled abroad. She is a proud grandmother of 4 loving grandchildren. She loves music, reading and traveling. So my dear friends, आज के इस शुभ दिन में इस शुभ घड़ी में आप सबकी शुभकामना से जूम से आ रही है अपने नाम से शुभ, अपने कार्य से शुभ, शुभा जी। थैंक यू।
Thank you, Rekha, for the wonderful introduction. Shubha madam, we would like to hear a few words of your blessings to us. Kindly guide us too. Poonam, over to Shubha madam.
हॅलो, ऐकू येते का?
हो, येते.
तुमच्या सगळ्यांच्या छान छान साड्या बघून मलाही साडी नेसावीशी वाटत होती, पण मी ना इथे लोणावळ्याला आहे, त्यामुळे माझ्याकडे साडी नाहीये कुठची.
ओके. Doesn't matter. See,
आणि
कसे.
तुम्हाला सगळ्यांना बघून खूप छान वाटतंय.
Thank you so much.
या आता
Hello.
ते खूप छान वाटतंय.
Thank you so much.
तो आणि जसं काटेकर बोलले ना, तसं मलाही मराठीतून बोलावं असं वाटतंय.
अगदी आम्हाला आवडेल कसंही.
आता सुरुवात मराठीतूनच केली.
Yes, thank you.
So friends, good evening, Rotary President Rotarian Katekar, Zonal Coordinator Niti, other dignitaries, President of other clubs, guests and all the members present here. Thanks for inviting me for your installation. It is always pleasure for me to meet Innerville friends like you.
I think madam's net.
Very melodious as always. Invocation song sung by Anjali was melodious. At the outset, I would like to congratulate and commend outgoing President Lata for her successful tenure. लता खूप छान प्रोजेक्ट्स केले, खूप वेगळी आणि खूप छान प्रोजेक्ट्स मला आवडली. सगळे प्रोजेक्ट्स तुझी बघितली आणि खूप उपयोगी आहेत. In her leadership, your club completed many different and worthy projects. I know it must not have been an easy task. Lots of funds and follow-up was required, but with support of you all and guidance of senior members and past presidents, she could do it. Congratulations, Ashwini, for taking up the mantle of leadership for the year 2020-2021. I'm sure with your talent and determination, you will do your best to keep the banner of our noble organization flying high. Congratulations for launching your YouTube channel. Loved your tree plantation video. It was very nice and very innovative. You have planned it well, and I'm sure with the strong support of Vice President Rohini, Secretary Manasi, Treasurer Megha, ISO Sharvari, CC Bhakti, executive members, and all the club members, you will be successful in all your future endeavors. This year, whenever IIW President Dr. Beena Vyas thought of this theme, she must not have imagined that we will have to adopt the change so fast. I'm really amazed to see the way Innerville members have adopted the change. Innerville members all over the world learned the technology and found out innovative ways to connecting each other and continue their good work. Friends, we are fortunate to be in this unique organization which gives us a platform to serve our community. Kindness is a natural feeling of tenderness, which is a noble emotion. Can you hear me?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. Kindness is a natural feeling of tenderness, which is a noble emotion. Becomes an action that is community service. That's why in this difficult time also, we Innerville members looking beyond ourselves and helping the society as much as we can. District Chairman Amla has thanked all the clubs for their kind contribution for all the district coordinated projects. District Co-ed project got huge response from clubs and it is in Vasudha's thrust area is environment. We have 3 projects in it: water conservation, solar lights, and tree plantation. All these projects also received good response from clubs and they will be completed soon. तुमच्या क्लबने एक घर पण एक हाऊस रूप रेन वॉटर हार्वेस्टिंग साठी
Yes.
स्पॉन्सर केलंय. थँक्स
Yes.
फॉर दॅट.
Thank you so much. Our
आणि
pleasure.
बाकीच्या प्रोजेक्ट्स मध्ये पण मी आता ऐकलं की सगळ्या डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोऑर्डिनेटर प्रोजेक्ट मध्ये तुम्ही भाग घेतलेला आहे, तुमचं
हो.
कॉन्ट्रीब्युशन आहे.
Yes.
व्हेरी नाईस.
Thank you.
Other areas we will be working on are educational help to orphans and underprivileged children and help to senior citizens. I'm sure your club must be having ongoing projects for needy children and seniors. You can continue doing those projects. Projects leaders of Sparsh and Surakshit Bachpan are soon starting e-modules to train the volunteers so clubs can start working on these projects. Please do not forget to post your projects on social media. That will help us to publicize our organization. Friends, let us all contribute wholeheartedly in every each way for the betterment of the world. I believe that getting more people involved in community service could eliminate violence and diversity from the world. And it will help us to create better world for our future generations. So we should try and get more and more people to join our pious organization. Today you were to induct 3 members. They couldn't.
Yes, they couldn't.
तुमचे 3 मेंबर आज यायचे होते, येऊ शकले नाहीत का?
नाही work.
ओके, पण ते होणार आहेत ना मेंबर? Friends, it is important for each and every member to get involved in club projects in whatever way they want. Ashwini, to involve as many members you can in club activities that will improve the attendance at the meetings and overall performance of the club. Remember that the happiest people are not those getting more, but those giving more. Thank you, friends, for your patient listening and have enjoyable evening.
Thank you, Shubhaji. तुम्ही सांगितल्याप्रमाणे आम्ही ह्या कोविड सिच्युएशन मध्ये सुद्धा फेलोशिप एकदम स्ट्रॉंग ठेवली होती लता मॅडमने. सगळ्या मेंबर्सने त्यांच्या कलागुण सादर केले, गाणी म्हटली, रोज अंताक्षरी खेळलं गेलं, वेगवेगळे गेम्स घेतले गेले, रेसिपीज सांगितल्या गेल्या, शेअर केल्या गेल्या, रंगोली आमच्या उज्ज्वला मॅडमनी शिकवल्या आम्हाला सगळ्यांना. त्याच्यानंतर आम्ही काय म्हणतात त्याला व्होकॅब्युलरी इम्प्रूव्ह केली आमची. म्हणजे नीना गोडखिंडी आम्हाला एखादा अक्षर द्यायचा आणि मग त्याच्यावरती जेवढ्या जमतील तेवढ्या सगळ्या नोन वर्ड्स त्याच्यामध्ये आणि अननोन वर्ड्स नंतर आम्हाला लक्षात यायच्या. सो दिस इज हाऊ वी मेंटेन्ड अवर फेलोशिप आणि लॉकडाऊन एन्जॉय केलं आणि वी हेल्प रिटेन ऑल द मेंबर्स. So this is a novel idea which Lata and Ashwini came up with, and we had story reading, poems, reciting, and all these things during the COVID, along with the social service that we did. Thank you, Lata and Ashwini, for this. Okay, so now over to Honorable Secretary Mansi. We need your secretarial announcements. Mansi, over to Mansi.
Thank you, Sangeeta.
Thank you. Can't hear you. Mansi, please unmute yourself. Okay, fine.
Thank you, Sangeeta. Good evening, friends. Congratulations, President Ashwini, for taking up the charge as the president of our club. I wish her all the best. Our GBM for the month of the July is scheduled on Wednesday, 22nd July 2020 at 5 p.m. on Zoom. Our next project is Be Cyber Smart, Be Cyber Safe, Cyber Security Awareness Webinar for the 8th and 9th standard school children. The date of the project is not yet decided. It will be informed soon. Now today's attendance 52. Thank you. Over to Rohini.
Hello.
Yes. Yeah. Rohini, our Vice
Yes.
President, the
Yes.
ever smiling Vice President. Please,
Hi.
we would like, hi.
Yeah.
You're being given the toughest job of thanking everybody.
Yes.
So please go
Thank-
ahead with it. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Sangeeta.
Yeah.
Honorable Chief Guest, PDC Dr. Shubhalakshmi Chapwale, Honorable Guest of Honor, Rotary President Mr. Dilip Kategar, Zonal Coordinator Dr. Neeti, our most valued invited guest, and my Innerville friends. It's my privilege to have been asked to propose a vote of thanks on this precious occasion. On behalf of Innerville Club of Dombivli East, I extend a very hearty vote of thanks to our chief guest, PDC Shubhalakshmi Chapwale, guest of honor, Rotary President Dilip Katekarji, for gracing this installation ceremony of our beloved President Ashwini. I would like to thank our member Poonam Bobde. She is our technical support. Always she is helping us for organizing this meeting on Zoom, and she extend for this her hands to make this ceremony successful. Finally, I would like to thank to our invited all guests, our Innerville members, for their cooperation in every project. Thanks to all for attending this meeting. Thank you, and thank you very much.
Thank you, Rohini. Ashwini, I would like to thank you for allowing me to anchor this program, today's installation ceremony, which I have really enjoyed. And I hope you will all not try to find, I know I have made some, what do you say, I may not be that fluent at that point of time, but thank you for cooperating with me. Thank you so much. Now I request Poonam to kindly play the beautiful song so that we can end this ceremony. Thank you.
First, 1 minute.
Yeah.
Thank you, Shubha ma'am. Thank you, Rotary President Mr. Katekar sir, for तुम्ही इथे आले, आम्हाला ब्लेसिंग्स दिले, तुमचे ऍडवाइस आम्ही कधी असं आम्ही फॉलो करू नेहमीच. थँक्स फॉर कमिंग आणि थँक्स एव्हरीवन. मीटिंग इज ॲडजंट.
होंगे कामयाब
for this very enthusiastic song. We are all sure that we will come out of this COVID-19 situation very soon. हाथों में हाथ लेके आपण ह्या सगळ्यातनं बाहेर येणार आहोत आणि सगळ्या आनंदात राहू.